Magato. Now finally inside, set to go now. Oh, this is out here, boys of Meadows. Massive again, green card. U-Ball on the outside, together on the outside with Bull Session. U-Ball, Boys of Meadows is running by the round second. Bull Session in third. Milky Way in four, rushing up Magato. Green card, Giant Rainbow. Then Panalawa on the outside by Wonderlust. Down on the inside, Striker Symbol. And Purple Ribbon is the early trailer. And that's the U-Ball moving up on the outside. Is a Bull Session. Milky Way in the middle portion. Joining them on the outside. Fourth comes Magato. Boys of Meadows in fifth. And in sixth, Giant Rainbow. Here comes Wonderlust. Then comes Striker Symbol, Green Card, and Purple Ribbon. Bull Session, Milky Way in the middle portion. U-Ball drives back in third. Magato in fourth. Boys of Meadows. Here comes Giant Rainbow. Green Card comes next. Wonderlust. Milky Way, Bull Session, fighting it out for the leader. Here comes 6A Magato. Together with Wonderlust now in fourth. We've got Milky Way, Bull Session, moving up Magato on the outside, Wonderlust. We've got Milky Way, still the leader on the outside now is 6A Magato, Bull Session. As they come down at the last of the day, with Milky Way still in front by about 2 lengths. Magato, Bull Session, Wonderlust, and Green Card. Milky Way still the leader. Magato, Green Card, Bull Session. And in the finish line, it's all number 6. That's Milky Way. Second, Magato, Green Card, Wonderlust, Giant Rainbow, Bull Session, Striker Symbol, Boys of Meadows, U-Ball, and Purple Ribbon.
Okay, bayang kalilista para po dito sa inyong race number 8. Ate pong unofficial winner. Itong numero 6, the favorite, Milky Way. Kasama dyan yung kanyang kakopod na si Magato. Para sa inyong forecast, numero 3, Green Card, numero 8.